How to remove a device from Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove a device from Google account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove a device from your Google account, or to remove your Google account from particular devices that your Google account is signed in on, first you want to head into your device settings. Under settings, you want to head into the option that says Google. You can see your Google, you want to tap on it, and then you want to tap on manage your Google account. If you have multiple accounts logged in, then you can tap on your email ID, and you'll be able to switch in between your accounts. Once you do so, on the list of options at the very top, you want to swipe to the right and then head into security option. Under security, we want to scroll down below and you want to head into the option that says manage all devices. Once you tap on manage all devices, you'll be able to see the list of devices that your Google account is logged in on. Simply tap on a particular device that you wish to sign out or log out your Google account from, and then tap on sign out, and it'll get signed out from that particular device. So this way you can remove a device from Google account. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.